Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're going to see slice and substring method in JavaScript. So on my screen, you can see that I have initialized a string as str with the text as hello, this is my project. And the next thing is I need to start the string from this word, right? So what I'll do here is I will first search that word with the help of search method. So I have written str.search and then this word which we need to find, right? So basically it will give the index number, right? In my terminal, when I will run this file in the terminal, so you can see the following output will be printed in the screen, right? Next thing is what I'll do, I want this that the my string will start from this word, right? So I'm going to extract that string. So I'll do the str.slice. I will use the slice method. So basically this will give the index number, right, from where we need to start the string. You can see in the terminal it is giving 6 over here, and so it can also be written as str.slice within bracket 6. So this will going to start our string from the 6th starting index number, right? We'll also count from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then this 6th. So it will going to start our string from this T, right? This is my project. So in the output we'll get this is my project. Yes, this one, right? Next, in the next example, let's say I want that this string will be printed up to 13th only, 13th ending index, right? So this is the starting index number and this is the ending index number. So it will print from this is, right? This is the sixth one, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this space 10, this 11, then this 12 and this space 13, right? So only this will be printed, this is will be printed, right, in the terminal. Okay, now make sure that your starting index should be less than the ending index in case of slice. But if there happens to be the vice versa, like ending index number, like starting index number is greater than the ending index number, right? So in that case we'll get an empty string. In the result also you can see that we are getting the empty string because here 9 comma 0, that is the starting index, that is 9, is greater than the ending index, right? So in this case we will get the empty string in the case of the slice method. But results are totally different if we'll use the substring over here, right? So in the substring, when the starting index is greater than the ending index, so then in that case our string will be printed, right? So this will going to read like this one. So it will start from here, that this is the 9th position. So it will start from here and it will going to print this text, right? Hello D. So here you can see that in the terminal we are with the substring, we are getting this as the output, hello D. So now I hope guys that you have liked this video, and if in case you have any doubts you can ask the same in the comment sections and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So thank you, that's all for this video. And guys, if you are new on this channel, so please kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks.